What's up, everybody? It's Clifford, expert digital marketer. So I see some friends on Facebook. They're just posting for posting, and posting is not a strategy. And you keep hearing me say this, but it's really not a strategy. So today, what I want to do is that I want to show you what is a strategy that you can apply in your business. Okay, so start with this one. Okay, so we have to understand first what is your product, right? Whatever product it is, okay, it doesn't matter. It's gonna be the same thing on social media that you're gonna do. But for this example, okay, we're gonna go with this product. Okay, this is the product that we're gonna do. So all vendors, all good business people, okay, they have already a website. That's obvious, okay, and they already have video ads. You know, they already have like some kind of content up and running to supply you with. Okay, so in your business, if you don't have video ads, if you don't have a video content, like you really need you really need like images and stuff. Like you really need to get going, because the internet is like visual. Like people don't just trust you because your brand is X, Y, and Z. No, people need to see stuff. So you need to have like a web designer, somebody on call that, guy, just put me some content. Like I have an idea for this. Like just put your content out, okay? So this is number one. So what you would do is that you would go there as an affiliate marketer, and as a person that's been doing this 16 years. When I see these things, for me, I'm gonna use them. But first, what I'm gonna do is that before I reuse them, and because first of all, like, you don't wanna like copy, but you're an affiliate marketer and you wanna test faster. Well, you're gonna kind of need to copy just a little bit to see if it works. So what am I gonna do? First of all, I'm gonna take this one. Okay, I'm gonna take this guy right here. This is the guy I'm gonna take. Okay, so that's step number one. I got my content, and then I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna put it as a reel. I'm gonna test it to see if it works, right? I'm gonna test it to see what it works, and I'm gonna wait like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then you guys see the results. It's working. I already have a working reel, right? See, reach, comments, share, like, reactions, 92. Okay, and because like how can I know this works really great? Well, when I'm gonna show you the next slide, this is like gonna show me that this thing really works. It's when you're having a conversation with a prospect. See, so we have pushed the prospect down the line of the funnel. Is now it's like a sales guy. He picks up the phone, he calls, he say, hey, yeah, I'm gonna meet you at this restaurant. He goes to the restaurant, he sit down with the prospect, he's in front of the prospect, so there's a chance for him to make a sale, right? So this is what's going on now. We are here now. See, boom. We are sitting down with the prospect. See, I'm having a discussion with the prospect. He asked a question. Here, see this question he asked? Hi, can you please help me with my diabetes? I can't break past the 200. Like, I don't understand none of this. Okay, because I'm no health professional, right? I'm no health professional. I am just an expert marketer. So I just know what to do so him that he can come and ask me questions, right? That's all I know. Okay? So you see, now I am with the prospect. The prospect is asking me questions, and the prospect wants to buy something. Do you get it? This is a strategy. Okay, this is a real strategy because there's in front of this prospect. So now what did I tell him? Well, I don't want to be in trouble, so I had to tell him that we're not health care professional and we don't diagnose threat or cure, blah blah blah. So you can ask like ChatGPT for all of this. You can ask like ChatGPT is gonna help you, okay. And then after you finish with a question, to let to invite him to see like what you have to offer, right? Like what you're really trying to sell. And then he said yes. See, he said yes. And then I send him the affiliate link. Okay, and hopefully he's gonna buy. I didn't check the data, but you get the J's out of it. Okay, so for you, that could be a contact form, a phone number, like a meeting point, like whatever. Okay, but you see the steps are pretty clear, right? First, you get your content going. Second, you put it on your page. Third, you put some reels. Okay, and this, by the way, was organic, right? Organic reels. I didn't pay for this prospect to come to talk to me. I didn't pay. Okay, but you have to get some reels going, some reels, some video, some content going, and then you're gonna sit in front of a prospect. There's no strategy that online where somebody puts a video and you go in the comment section and you beg the person, please, like come see me, come like my content, come talk to me. It's never going to happen. People don't have time for these things. People don't trust the internet. So you have to educate them, you have to entertain them, and hopefully they're going to take action once you have shown the video. Because this reel from the vendor is really powerful. As you can see, it's really powerful, because if you look, it's not only him. Oh, sorry, I'm not showing it. Like, it's not just him. See, like all of these people, all of these people, oh, except this guy. This guy, I don't know if you see at the bottom. Yeah, this guy was what I had. But there's people. There's people that like are asking questions. So that the video, the content as a reels from Facebook is really powerful, and you can do this on the same thing on YouTube, same thing on TikTok. Short form content, it's key. Like on social media, short form content, should be something you should be focused on. How long is it? Like 7, almost 10 minutes. So that was my training. That was like a small case study that you can do. We don't need to wait to have like 16,000 sales to know that this avenue works. So the next step would be to run ads on that reels. Me, I can't run ads because my account is restricted, but you could run ads on that reels because it's working. So you would put ads on it because you have something that works organically. So now you can run ads on it. Now would be the time to run ads on it and see like how many people you convert. Hey, my friend, was Clifford, expert digital marketer. If you want me to run your social media paid ads business or just your business online, let me know in the comment with the word social media. For the time being, make sure you like, you share, you subscribe, and you save this video for more on digital marketing. Ciao.